Installing ink cartridges in the HP OfficeJet Pro 7720, 7730, and 7740 wide format all-in-one printers series. Open the ink cartridge access door. Remove the ink cartridges from their packaging. Caution: when removing the ink cartridges from their packaging, hold them by their sides and avoid touching the copper-colored contacts and nozzles. Start with the cyan ink cartridge. Insert it into the corresponding slot in the printer. Push the cartridge in until you feel it snap into place. Next, install the magenta cartridge, then the yellow cartridge, and the black one. Close the ink cartridge access door.